Alright, welcome back. I decided to make the first video continue to be Buyer's Journey and this one to be the value ladder because I don't want to spend too much time on this because it is basically the same thing, but I do want to make a couple of points in this video. Yes, this is the value ladder. Yes, this is the taking someone all the way from a free product all the way to purchasing your most high ticket stuff. And I'll probably also include Brandon's speech of his strip club funnel analogy where he talks about why this works so well. But I don't want you to look at this in terms of possibilities or even like, I don't want you to look at this and be like, okay, so it's not possible to sell to somebody this if they haven't bought this, because that's just not true. What is true is that selling this way is going to be a little easier, but it's going to take way more time if you sell this way. So if you don't have volume on your side, meaning a huge email list or a large following on social media, then this is going to be a very long, drawn-out process in order to get yourself to six figures or even beyond. But it is going to be the easiest, like, slow, steady way of going about it. This, going like this, which you'll probably hear Brandon talk about, is going to be a much faster way. But it's going to take a lot more finesse to be able to sell somebody a much more high-ticket thing. And we'll talk about selling high-ticket through funnels as well. And you'll see why it takes a little bit more finesse. But just know that is why this exists. The value ladder can go in both directions. For selling lower-ticket stuff, I would suggest going in this direction, selling high-ticket stuff. Just go ahead and start here, and I'll show you later on how you can sell that stuff. But I just wanted you to see this one more way, and I wanted to make the point that this is not required. This way is not required. You can go from the top down, which I'll try and get Brandon to get on this course and talk about. That's all I have for the value ladder. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one.